Hey guys, this is SPC Cranford 1056, and by request of Lightning Bolt 99999, I'm going to do an unboxing for my new electric stapler. My mom picked it up for me today. So, without further ado, let's open it up. I'll also do a quick demo for you. I've never really used an electric stapler before, so this will be quite an experience. Right, so first, here's the unit. Put that over there. Here's packaging. And in here is the DC jack. There it is. Oh look, it even came with the covers. That's funny. And that is all that's in the box. Oh yeah, and also right here, here is instruction manual, but I don't think we need to use that. Let's take a quick look at it. Alright, so basically now we're just gonna put everything back, all the this fun stuff back in the box here. And now we can take out the unit. Here it is. That's very nice. Very nice. Just put that over here. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to plug the unit in using the DC jack. 1 second. And actually, first we have to put staples in. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I guess that's where you store extra staples down here. Alright, so let me just go get some staples. Alright, here we go. I got staples, 5,000 to be exact. So, let's just take some out. Crap. Alright, so, let's take one out. So now we just slide it on in. Or, oh, I'm sorry, we have to, because it's so big, we gotta break it. Just put it, there we go. Slide it back into place. And we'll put this extra staple thing back in the box. Alright, we'll do that later. Let's get on with this. Alright, so now we're gonna plug the stapler into the wall. This stapler can staple up to 20 sheets of paper at once. So that's good. I just plug this in. Hopefully the cord will reach. And, okay. There it is. Alright, now, I don't know if you guys can see, but I got a new tripod. It's a spider tripod, so it's difficult to move. So anyway, I don't know if you guys can see, but right here it says auto and grip. Grip. You would... Oh, see, there you go. Okay. Alright, now we're going to do a demonstration for you. Let me get a scrap piece of paper. Alright, so right here we have 6 pieces of paper. Zoom out for you. 6 pieces of plain white paper, and we're going to demonstrate this. So, all you gotta do is just stick the paper in, and stapled. Do it again. And again. This is fun. So as you can see, this thing is stapling for me. This thing is awesome. Let's do this last side here. And there you go. See, now everything's stapled together. So, that is my demo of my brand new electric thing. It can do automatic, which means once the paper goes in, like this, hits the thing, it will staple it. Or you could do grip, which means whenever you touch this right here, it will do it. Yeah, so that's it. Alright, talk to you guys later.